How to remove a retweet from your profile on Twitter. This is what we are going to do today in this video. First, make sure to subscribe in the channel and hit the like button. This is gonna help a lot. So let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna retweet this tweet and also retweet it with a quote. As you can see, let's type anything, test. And now we're gonna go to our profile. As you can see, it's now retweeted. I went to my profile. Here you can find the retweeted tweet with the quote and without the quote. So for the one without the quote, the directly retweeted one, we are going to press on the retweet button and then click on undo retweet. As you can see, it's now unretweeted. It's not available in my profile. And for the one with the quote, we're gonna press on the three buttons up there, the settings button, click on delete tweet, and gone. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any suggestion or question on the video. Have a nice day.